My name is Dr. Betsy Herrelko. I'm the curator of animal welfare and research at the Smithsonian's National Zoo and Conservation Biology Institute. I want to think about, are the animals happy? How can we help them be happier than they are now? So Bonnie is a very intelligent orangutan, and that means we have to help her use her brain as much as possible in the same way that we would with children and pets at home. She likes to play with cognitive projects. She's touchscreen tree, so she can participate in cognitive research projects where we give her a video game to play. She can pick and choose what matches, and as scientists, we can design questions that help us find out how she thinks about the world, how she sees and perceives differences. And that tells us a whole lot more about how we can care for her and provide the best environment for her. The education and training that I had to get here is different than any of my colleagues. We all came through different paths to work at the zoo. I happened to major in psychology because I was interested in behavior. I was interested in how the mind worked. And I went to college at Fordham University, which happened to be across the street from the Bronx area. I started volunteering there and learning about so many different jobs that I had no idea existed. One thing that everybody in a zoo has in common is that we want to help animals. We want to serve as a voice for animals, and that happens in a tremendous number of ways. I work in the Animal Care Sciences Department, but we also have a Conservation and Science Department. We have communications teams and exhibit designers, advancement members who are helping to bring in donations, and we each share that common vision. We just do it in different ways. So whenever someone comes to the zoo to learn about careers, we like to help them see all of the different roles that come into making a zoo work, because it is a big job. I would say there's no typical day in a zoo. Animals like to surprise us, so we typically say expect the unexpected when you're working with animals. Today, I'm working with animal visibility interns who are walking around the zoo to help us learn information about where animals are spending their time, helping me make a better day for visitors, and how can we use that information as animal care professionals to make choices to encourage them to use their exhibit in different ways, to be visible to the public to an end in a way that they can enjoy it. And those interns, when they're not walking around the zoo, they're meeting with me inside, often in front of the computer, so we can talk about how do you enter in this information? How do you make it make sense in a spreadsheet? And how do you interpret what that means? And ultimately, how do you share that information with the people who will use it? So that's a little bit about me and my journey here. I encourage you to come by. This zoo is phenomenal. We have wonderful people working here and truly phenomenal animals to show you. So come on down to Washington, D.C., have a look at them, ask questions, and let us know if you're here. We'd love to chat more.